Hi everyone, welcome back. We're back out with the K989, and somebody mentioned yesterday that it might be nice if there was like an FPV cam on it. So we had an old RunCam 5, so we stuck some velcro on the roof, as you can see, and we stuck the RunCam 5 on there. So now we're going to take her out for a little run and see what kind of footage we get off of the RunCam. So stick around. Okay guys, that was kind of cool. I'm not sure how the footage is going to be. We just did a little bit of run. The only thing that I noticed is having the RunCam on top. I mean, that velcro worked really well as far as keeping the camera on there. I just found that it made the little car a little bit top heavy. So if you're giving it the gas and making a sharp turn there, the whole car goes on its side. Anyways, this is kind of cool, and it's kind of cool to be able to get some footage of the car, you know, driving underneath the other cars. Anyways, this was a lot of fun. This is my fun for Father's Day. I hope everybody else is having a better Father's Day. But anyways, this was again another blast. Okay, thanks for watching, and enjoy your day, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.